Welcome to Client School. Today we're going to talk about a little used tool known as a scheduling and settlement conference and a motion for scheduling and settlement conference. Let me explain what that's for. In most divorce and Utah family law kinds of cases, you get a discovery period of 180 days, which is equal to 6 months. Sometimes you need all that time, but quite often you don't. And so if you want to shorten that period and not be made to wait the default 6-month period, you can file with the court a motion for scheduling and settlement conference. Why call it a scheduling and settlement conference? Well, oftentimes if you just call it a scheduling conference, the court might think you're not serious or feel that it's not a legitimate motion, but when you throw in settlement, that tends to make it more appealing to the court to listen to and actually allow you to come into court and argue your case. When you go into court, you will ask the court to shorten the discovery period on the basis that you have already done everything that you need to. The opposing party either has done no discovery effort or has already completed its discovery, and you still have months to go before the default 6-month discovery period would end. You can simply point out to the court that there's no point in just waiting for the discovery period to end when everything is ready to go, and you could ask the court to either certify the case as ready for trial immediately or say give the other party and you 30 days to finish up any loose ends in discovery. Now, even though I was being a little facetious about the settlement part, another thing you can do with a scheduling and settlement conference motion is ask the court to compel the other party to go to mediation, for example, if the other party refuses to schedule mediation with you, as they are required to do by law, and meet in mediation. You can also ask the court to schedule perhaps a mediation or a settlement conference with another judge. There are some commissioners and judges in the state of Utah that will allow you to meet with a different judge not assigned to your case in an effort to settle your case. There are other things you can ask the court to do with a scheduling and settlement conference motion that will help to reduce the amount of time you're preparing for court. It'll reduce the costs. It'll reduce the time that you wait around just doing nothing while you could be doing more productive things with your time. So, if you're not aware of a settlement or scheduling conference, or your lawyer isn't, you may want to discuss that. And thanks for coming to Client School.